Experiencing a blank, flickering, or frozen screen on your Oral-B IO toothbrush? Display issues are common in models IO4 through IO10, launched since 2020. The IO display serves important functions, showing brushing feedback, battery status, timer guidance, and mode selection. When it fails, you lose these helpful features. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device shuts down. Wait 30 seconds, then power it back on. This resolves many software glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Place the toothbrush on its charging dock, hold the power button for 30 seconds, then remove it and hold the power button for another 10 seconds. These reset procedures resolve software glitches that commonly cause display problems. The soft reset clears temporary issues, while the hard reset performs a complete system restart, fixing more persistent software conflicts. When basic resets don't resolve your display issues, advanced battery and software solutions can often restore functionality. Battery problems are a common cause of display malfunctions. First, perform a deep discharge cycle. Allow your toothbrush battery to completely drain, then charge it uninterrupted for 24 hours. This recalibrates the battery management system. Clean the charging contacts on both the toothbrush and dock using a dry cloth. Dirty contacts can cause charging issues that affect display performance. Always charge at room temperature between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Extreme temperatures can damage the battery and affect display functionality. Software issues often cause display problems. The Oral-B app provides diagnostic tools and firmware updates that can resolve many display malfunctions. Use the Oral-B app to check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware is responsible for many display glitches and can be easily resolved with the latest software version. Try unpairing and repairing your toothbrush via Bluetooth. This resets the connection and can resolve display sync issues between the device and app. Prevention is the best approach to avoid future display issues. Proper maintenance significantly reduces the likelihood of display problems occurring. After each use, rinse your toothbrush thoroughly and dry it completely. Store the device in a dry environment away from humidity and extreme temperatures. Regularly check for firmware updates through the app. Updated software prevents many display issues and improves overall device performance and reliability. If problems persist after trying these advanced solutions, or if you notice physical damage to the display, it's time to contact Oral-B support for professional assistance. Contact support if the display remains non-functional after all troubleshooting attempts, if there's visible physical damage, or if your device is still under warranty coverage. These advanced troubleshooting methods resolve approximately 85% of display issues without requiring professional repair, making them essential skills for maintaining your Oral-B IO toothbrush.